The automobile world has witnessed a paradigm shift from traditional combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles over the past decade. Leading this transition are not only the established names in the industry, but also relatively newer entrants that are pioneering innovative technologies and designs to claim their stake in the EV market. One such promising contender that has made significant strides is BYD, and their flagship model for 2024, the Qin, exemplifies this transformative journey. Before delving into the 2024 BYD Qin, it's essential to appreciate the brand's history and how it has positioned itself in a highly competitive market. BYD, originally known for its battery production, ventured into automobile manufacturing in the early 2000s. They merged their expertise in battery technology with automotive aspirations, producing a range of EVs and hybrids that attracted international attention. Over the years, while the likes of Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet garnered much of the media spotlight with their respective models, the Model 3, Leaf, and Bolt, BYD was silently carving a niche for itself, especially in Asian markets. Their dedication to consistent innovation has culminated in the creation of the 2024 Qin. The 2024 Qin is a symphony of design and technology. In a market where many EVs are starting to look eerily similar, the Qin stands out with its elegant yet futuristic design. One might draw parallels to the smooth lines of the Tesla Model S or even the bold stance of the Audi e-tron. However, the Qin's unique front grille, coupled with sharp LED headlights, gives it a distinctive face. The car's silhouette is both aerodynamic and stylish, ensuring it's not just another electric sedan, but one with a distinct character. While aesthetics are subjective, performance is universally quantifiable, and here the Qin doesn't disappoint. Unlike traditional combustion engines, electric motors can deliver instantaneous torque. This means the Qin, much like the Jaguar Y-Pace or the Porsche Taycan, offers exhilarating acceleration right from a standstill. Its range, an important metric for any electric vehicle, is competitive, giving it an edge over several other brands in its segment. BYD's legacy in battery production shines through here, giving the Qin a robust power reserve, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Step inside the Qin, and you're greeted with a cabin that merges luxury with cutting-edge technology. The interior seems to echo the high-tech ambiance of the Mercedes EQC, featuring a large infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The attention to detail, from the quality of materials to the ergonomic design, suggests that BYD has been closely observing luxury leaders like BMW and Audi. Voice recognition, autonomous driving capabilities, and a host of other tech features make the Qin a technophile's dream. The car seamlessly integrates with smartphones, ensuring that drivers and passengers remain connected, be it for navigation, entertainment, or business. When we think of EV market leaders, Tesla inevitably springs to mind. Elon Musk's brainchild has dominated discussions around electric mobility for a good reason. But while Tesla's offerings are undoubtedly groundbreaking, the rise of vehicles like the 2024 BYD Qin suggests a more diverse and competitive market in the coming years. Other established brands, from Volkswagen with their ID series to Ford's Mustang Mach-E, are vying for a piece of the EV pie. In this context, the Qin is not merely a participant, it's a strong contender. One of the cornerstones of the electric vehicle revolution is the promise of a more sustainable future. This means not just reducing carbon emissions through the elimination of internal combustion engines, but also championing renewable energy sources and sustainable manufacturing practices. The BYD Qin, much like Tesla's vehicles, which boast a significant portion of their energy coming from solar panels, leans heavily into this ethos. BYD's legacy in battery production means that they are intimately aware of the life cycle of these products, from the extraction of raw materials to end-of-life recycling or repurposing. This knowledge positions the Qin not just as a car, but as part of a broader ecosystem of sustainable mobility. Another crucial factor in the EV wars is affordability. Historically, electric vehicles carried a premium price tag, with early Teslas and the luxurious Lucid Air catering to a more affluent clientele. The Nissan Leaf and Chevrolet Bolt attempted to counter this trend by offering more budget-friendly options. Here, the 2024 BYD Qin strikes a compelling balance. While not precisely in the budget segment, it offers a luxury and performance level that rivals cars priced much higher. This balance of value and quality might be the linchpin that drives wider adoption of EVs, making them accessible to a larger segment of the population. The Chinese market, with its massive urban populations and increasing buying power, is undoubtedly a stronghold for BYD. However, the true test of the Qin's mettle will be in its ability to make inroads into international markets, particularly in Europe and North America, where brands like Volkswagen, Tesla, and Rivian are already entrenched. While challenges lie ahead, especially in establishing a reliable global charging infrastructure and catering to varied consumer preferences, the Qin's holistic approach to mobility positions it well to face these challenges head-on. As the 2024 BYD Qin accelerates its way into the global market, it also drives a subtle yet significant shift in cultural perception. Electric vehicles, once seen as the niche domain of tech enthusiasts and environmental crusaders, are increasingly becoming symbols of status, innovation, and forward-thinking. Just as the iPhone transformed the way we perceive smartphones, cars like the Qin are changing how we view personal transportation. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about doing so with minimal environmental impact, maximum efficiency, and a touch of flair. An often underappreciated aspect of modern EVs is the advancement in safety features, and the Qin is no exception to this trend. The vehicle boasts a plethora of safety innovations, some of which are made possible specifically because of its electric architecture. From advanced driver assistance systems, akin to Tesla's Autopilot or Cadillac's Super Cruise, to structural advantages that come with battery placement and weight distribution, the Qin ensures the well-being of its occupants is paramount. The ability of EVs to communicate with each other and with traffic systems, often referred to as V2X communication, further augments the safety prospects, allowing for real-time traffic updates and collision avoidance. Another frontier that the 2024 BYD Qin and electric vehicles in general are exploring with great zeal is the realm of connectivity and integration. In an age where our homes, phones, watches, and even appliances are interconnected, vehicles cannot afford to be isolated islands. The Qin, taking cues from innovations by companies such as Apple, Google, and Tesla, offers a suite of connectivity features that elevate the driving experience to the next level. With the rise of the Internet of Things, the BYD Qin is designed not just to serve as a mode of transportation, but as a fully integrated component of a connected lifestyle. Its systems can synchronize with your home automation setups, ensuring, for example, that your car is pre-cooled or preheated in tandem with your home's thermostat settings. This degree of integration is reminiscent of the seamless connectivity seen in luxury models from Mercedes-Benz and BMW, but BYD brings it to a more accessible market segment. With urban areas becoming more congested, and the idea of smart cities gaining traction, the role of electric vehicles like the BYD Qin becomes even more crucial. These vehicles, often connected to the internet and equipped with a myriad of sensors, can seamlessly integrate into urban infrastructures, aiding in traffic management, reducing congestion, and curbing pollution. Cities like Singapore, Copenhagen, and Dubai are pushing towards becoming fully integrated smart cities, and the Qin's technology can be a key component in realizing this vision. Imagine a city where your car communicates with traffic lights, optimizing flow, or where parking spots are dynamically allocated based on demand and vehicle size. The BYD Qin is not just a car, it's a potential cog in the larger machinery of future urban living. No modern venture can exist in isolation, and BYD understands this profoundly. Just as Tesla collaborated with Panasonic for battery technologies, and Lucid Motors partnered with Amazon for integrating Alexa into their vehicles, BYD has been forging strategic partnerships to enhance the Qin's appeal and functionality. These collaborations span from entertainment systems to advanced driver assistance software, ensuring that the Qin remains at the cutting edge of technology. The automotive landscape is undergoing a transformation, the likes of which hasn't been seen since the days of Henry Ford. As we stand at this crossroads, vehicles like the 2024 BYD Qin serve as both harbingers and catalysts of change. They challenge the status quo, push boundaries, and, most importantly, carry with them the promise of a cleaner, more sustainable future. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.